So we book a taxi with GSM. We will try the experience with the electric taxi. GSM is a company that uses VinFast as electric vehicle. Our booking is coming now. So let's see how it goes. So our EV taxi arrived. This is the one. Okay. First time having this taxi, EV taxi. Is that 360 camera?
Yes po.
Oh, that's nice. Let's see, VinFast. And on our side is also VinFast. Oh, there are a lot of EV taxi now. So that is the total amount. Total amount 52 pesos. Is that your battery indicator? That 60%?
Yes.
Can I have that? That's the one. I'm just curious how it goes with the taxi, EV taxi. So usually, what percentage are you gonna charge that?
30 to 20%.
You have to stop and charge it. And it takes how long?
1.5 hours full charge.
1.5 hours full charge from 20% to 100%?
Yes po.
Okay. So is that the official supercharging, supercharger, or exclusive for VinFast only?
For VinFast only.
It's available around Metro Manila?
Yes po.
Okay. You see, there are a lot of VinFast taxi or GSM, right? Am I correct? The GSM. See. Is that cyan green or
Cyan green.
cyan green? Okay. Interesting to see. Wow. Very nice. So a while ago it's 60%, now it is 59%. And you see the monitor. 360 camera. Now 56 pesos charge. And there's a signal 4G. So at this time we only consume 1% of the battery. And then when you stop, it is regenerative or regenerating electricity from the brake? No? Okay.
Mag-generate po siya pag freeway.
Free wheel. Okay. So braking is not, but during freewheeling, it is generating.
Binibitawan ko po yun.
You see how many kilometers?
Kilometer.
Kilometers. Oh, less than 1 kilometer being traveled. Now 60. So still 59%. So we already traveled 1 kilometer and only 1% of the battery is consumed. Current rate 13. So this current rate is the
13 pesos per kilometer.
Okay. 13.50 per kilometer. Smart meter. Then and trip. We already traveled for 1 kilometer. Travel time is 6 minutes. So far we traveled 1.4 kilometers and travel time is 7 minutes and total amount is 77.50. So the current rate is 13.50. And you see the battery over there, it's still 59%. So this is called VinFast Smart Meter. How do you change it to 360 camera when you are turning? Okay. When you are turning, it automatically appears the 360 camera. Oh, see, because we are turning right. 360 camera appeared. Now it disappeared. So 2 kilometers. Again. So we almost arrived at our destination. 2 kilometers and 2.2 kilometers, 95 pesos. See the battery is 58%. Okay, based on smart meter, it's 2.6 kilometers. We traveled 10 minutes and 97 pesos. 58%. Wow, then we arrived 2.7 kilometers, 99 pesos. Brad, thank you very much, huh? We arrived at our destination. Thank you very much.